Today I'll be showing you how to make an origami flicker missile like this. Alright, for this you will need a single piece of square paper, and I will be using printer paper cut square. Alright, so once you got your square sheet of paper, if you already didn't, fold one corner to the other one and crease. Now you want to fold this corner and this corner to the top one. Like that. Increase. And boom. Well, I have regular origami paper now. Nice. It'll be easier for you guys to see because it's smaller. So, I left off over here. Now you want to unfold it and turn the paper 180 degrees. Now, you haven't done this step already. So you want to bring this corner up to this point. Like that. Increase. Now, turn it back around and fold these two corners back up. Like that. You want to turn it around so it's like this. Now turn it over so that the two flaps are on the top. And you want to perform an airplane fold, bringing this edge, aligning it with this one. Like this. And hold these two folds together so that there's no space in between them. And make sure that it ends at this corner. Increase. Do the same thing with the other side. Like that. Now, you want to just bring these two flaps up so they fold along these flaps. Like this. Alright, now, once you creased, unfold them and fold this edge to this one. Like this. So it's like that. And repeat on the other side. Folding it like that. So that this aligns with this. Increase. Like that. Now, you want to invert this flap so that it just goes inside the big one, the big pocket. So what you want to do is just put your finger inside this one, this hole, like this. So this flaps up, and then just unfold this part and put your finger inside here and just push this one down along the existing creases so that this just goes down like that. So it's going to be like that. And repeat the same on this flap. So open it up and put your finger inside to widen it up. And then just push this down along the existing crease. Like that. And so it's like this. Now, I'm going to fold back these two. And then fold this. So, alright, scratch what I said. Don't fold back these two. Fold these two flaps up. Like that. Don't fold them under this flap. Just put them on top. And then fold these two back. So now, you have this triangle shape. And these two flaps are still not connected. So you have to fold them like this. And then just crease. So now it's like this. And then unfold these two. And then open up this pocket. And you will see that this fits in there. Same thing on the other side. If it doesn't fit at first, you may want to widen it a bit more. And then it'll fit. Like that. So there's your origami flicker. And then to flick it, you just need to put this side up, like the smaller line, not like the big flap one. This one, there may be like 2 creases right here because the flaps are stuck inside. So just hold it with the smaller line up on the very edge, and then you would just hit it right here and point it at whatever you're aiming at. So just hold it right here and just slap it like that. And then it will just spin and then hit your target if you get enough practice. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to make a wristband that holds the spinners.